This is Project Griffin, an ECD custom Defender 110 built to our client specification. Griffin is painted in eggshell causeway grey with black accents all round, giving it a stealth-like look. Griffin features our Cairn wide-body kit. Griffin sits on 20-inch Cairn Mondale retro wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This 110 also features a 6-point roll cage, 4 LED round spotlights at the front and 2 work lights on the rear, an ECD custom metal steering guard and a classic bumper with worn winch. Inside, Griffin features a Nardi classic steering wheel with classic gauges, 2 Corbeau Trailcats heated and ventilated in the front with a 60-40 split mid-row and a custom storage unit built in the rear. Each seat is wrapped in herringbone black leather stitched together in steel. Griffin is powered by our LS3 565 horsepower engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 features an array of modern elements such as Bluetooth audio, gel audio sound system, wireless charging and access to USB points throughout. Griffin is a superb, luxurious build, perfect for everyday use but fully capable of taking a beating off-road.